Menteri Rangba Kejala uba Prestone tensong loong baka sorkar kadang penkrep banchna Jingkieng Iaid kali Narum ke Jingkieng dam Shipor kanang banla ki kali he ban Iaid hadin belakang ban Iaid nadam. Habakran minta kasngi uba Prestone loong bola bata iki engineer ban le iki jingtau jingwa banchna iki Jingkieng Shipor kanang ban Iaid ki kali he ban jam shalong kat ba ampat la banchna iki ban Islam. Namar hadin belakang ban Iaid iki kali ki bahe na ke jing senjor ke Jingkieng dam. Uloong baka sarkar kalap hathau phawo ru banchna surok nadam ban Iaid che industrial estate ban mi shamaulai ban lat na Jingkieng dam tangba kani ka kam kan kham shimpor namar bakan hab ban yakran ki jaka bat kiwi ki jingdon kam.
This stretch has been handed over to NHIDCL. So as far as the alternate route, a bridge is concerned, now we have already instructed NHL to take up and to start surveying and then prepare the DPR. They have just engaged the consultant. So maybe I think immediately, maybe this month or maybe next month, they will start surveying, they will start also preparing the DPR. But in the meantime, because I could understand this bridge, I don't know, NHL, it may take maybe few years to complete this permanent alternate bridge down the stream. So in the meantime, from the department and from PUD, I had instructed my chief engineer to work out if there is any temporary arrangement where maybe we can build like a belly bridge or something, at least for the loaded commercial vehicle. I feel pity, I feel bad. Even this, you saw the night supers where, you know, the bosses, they have to, you know, they have to park beyond the bridge, so they have to be there, and then even the passengers. I mean, it creates a lot of inconveniences. So now I've asked again, in addition to what we have already handed over to NHCL, but now from the state government also, I've instructed chief engineer road to work out the possibility, if we can. Maybe if we construct within 5 months, 6 months, if we can get the temporary alternate bridge, we will go ahead with that.
So is it the location far downstream from the dam?
Yes, downstream. Yeah, you saw, I think, that old bridge was there. It's little further, yeah, further down. Because this one, it will connect with that, you know, this alternate approach will connect that EPIP road, approach road.
Okay. And then this, it will connect with the existing road, or it will go to that new road which is coming straight to Umrah Airport?
This one, see, as I can't say right now as far as NHIDCL is concerned, because now consultant is being engaged. But with the temporary, because since I've seen the pressure and then the urgency, the importance of this alternate route, I told my chief engineer, go find out if he can maybe provide a temporary bridge within 6 months, 7 months. Then the alignment of the road should also be in the existing only. Existing means reach that industrial estate and then come to that market, again come back. At least for the temporary. But for the permanent one, that I can't say right now, because as I said to you, the consultant will do the survey, detailed survey. We initially have already discussed also that we should have, you know, this road. Once the NSL completed the alignment, it should cross that Jingkieng Pulit, which is called Jingkieng Pulit. It should not, you know, it should not be within the Jingkieng Pulit. It should be somewhere that side. And then there's one, what is that, Shatsni or something? Guess what is that? Some Rishatsni, something. It will connect that side. Somewhere, something like that.